Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. If you want to become an Abacus trainer, watch this video till end. If you don't know what is Abacus and what are the benefits to learn Abacus, link is given in description. I am Patel Daksha from Om Academy. I am a trainer of Abacus, Vedic Maths, tables technique, techniques of multiplications by drawing line, brain development skills, motor development skills, handwriting improvement, calligraphy writing, solving Rubik's cube, solving Sudoku, and many more. All these courses are skill based. One by one, all these courses teachers training I am going to share through YouTube platform so anyone can learn easily from here. First, I am going to start Abacus Teachers Training Program. Before starting this training program, I would like to discuss about few FAQs, which might be yours too. First, who can take Abacus Teachers Training? Anyone can take Abacus Teachers Training, whether you are a teacher, tutor, homemaker, mother, or student. Next, within how many days you can learn this course? It's totally on you. Within 10 to 15 days also you can learn this course. And after that, if you contact us, we will provide you an Indian government registered certificate. After that, officially you are eligible as an Abacus trainer. Next, which age group of the kids can learn Abacus? Between 5 to 15, all the kids can learn Abacus easily. If child is above 15, then go for Vedic Maths. If you don't know the difference between Abacus and Vedic Maths, for that also link is given in description. Still, if you have any queries or doubts related to Abacus, write in comment. If you want to buy Abacus tools, teacher's training book or student's book, number is given in description. If this video is informative and useful, don't forget to like and subscribe. Wait for the next video, that is Abacus Teachers Training first video. Good luck. Thanks for watching.